Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. Right, so there has not really been much of a move on the crypto space. We have seen over the last couple of days, Bitcoin has gone and traded at about 32,000 level. Now, is that the reversal area? That has been the question over the last couple of days and over the last couple of weeks as this corrective structure has been building up here. Now, what is the next move? Right, before we get started, guys, you can contact us. If you'd like to contact us, you can do so by going under the description of all our videos on our channel. Our channel is Trading Waves. So if under Trading Waves, under the description of all our videos, you will find our contact details as follows. Let's have a look here. So these are our contact details on our YouTube channel. So if you just go to the description as I'm showing you there, you'll find the link to our Telegram channel, the link to our TradingView link, as well as the link to our website, links to our social media pages, that is Facebook and Twitter. You can follow us there for more content. All right, so that's what we have there. So our course, next course, live course starts in May. If you'd like to subscribe for that course, you can buy that on our website, and then you will get the recorded version of the course immediately, so that when we have the live one in May, you've already watched and you're only getting clarification on areas or modules that you do not understand well. Right, so let's get back to this here. We are now looking at Bitcoin. Could this be the start of the move to the upside? Now, we've been looking at this one for the last couple of days. We've been looking at the same thing. I'm on the daily chart here. We've been looking at this one to either be, it has broken the top here. So once it breaks the top, we know it can either be a running or an expanding flat. Now, we're looking at this one to be, it looks like a continuation pattern, but there is quite strong divergence here on the daily that suggests that this could even be the end of the move to the downside, and we can start making a push back to around 55,000 at least. But let's have a look here on the RSI. So the RSI, as I'm showing you, is giving us some divergence. These guys here is not, it's not really divergence here. So what you're seeing here is that the indicator and the price are doing exactly the same thing. So that's not quite, that's not exactly divergence. The divergence, we're seeing it on the weekly, because you'll see that even here, that is not divergence. The price was going down, price was going down, price is going up. So that's not exactly the divergence that you want to see here. So what are the possibilities here? The possibilities, as I'm indicating, is that we could have this one as a three-way structure running flat, and we start pushing to the upside. Now, if it's pushing to the upside, that means that we are starting with a move to the upside around this level. Is that the case? But what I'm seeing here is that this could still be a continuation pattern here. We could still have this one making 1, 2, 3 here. We could still have this one doing this here. Get one more down and the last push to the upside. Otherwise, there's also a possibility that we're starting fifth wave here, 1, 2, and we're starting here with the lower degree, 1, 2, and we're starting to get a move to the upside. Why are we looking for 5 waves there? If you remember, let's show you the structure here on the website. We are looking for that as an impulsive move. Let's go to the cryptocurrencies. So crypto Bitcoin, so you can have a clarity on this and why we're looking for that to be a possible impulse. So on the weekly, this is what we have on the weekly. When we're on the weekly, this is where we are. We could be looking at this one to be a wave 4 and a push to the upside. That's our weekly chart. But you can see here, currently we've got what looks like a corrective structure. Is this a corrective structure for one leg down and then upside? Remember, even if it starts reversing from here, there's nothing wrong, because that will be a running flat and our wave 4 can be here. So for Bitcoin, it can start the reversal at current levels, or it can push down for one more. So we are monitoring these levels here, this structure here, for Bitcoin to see if it's going to make a push to the downside or if it's the start of the move to the upside. But why are we looking for that to start making 5 waves? This is the reason why I was opening this chart, is because we are looking at this one to be a wave 4. So from here, we need to see 5 waves here in the blue degree. So if I go to the daily, you will see that the blue degree is showing us 5 waves there. Right, so this is the 5 waves that we'll be looking at. We should see 5 waves here. You won't see it here because that we're not in this area yet. So what you will see here is this coming down here like that. So let's have a look here on the 4-hour. So if we do get that one leg to the downside and then upside, then we'll start with that 5 waves to the upside there. So for now, we could be looking at this move to the downside as WXY. Which move is that? Let me show you again. So the WXY that I'm referring to, so you can see clearly, could be this one here. We could be looking at this one as a WXY for downside. Okay. Or this one could actually be an impulse, this one being a wave 4, 5, and then we move to the upside. Then this will be an ABC structure and not a WXY. So let's see here. We'll be monitoring this level. It's going sideways for now. Nothing is happening. When that is confirmed, then we'll decide. So if it's going to push to the upside, it's going to give us an opportunity. The indicator is going to confirm that we are ready for a move to the upside on Bitcoin. Ethereum, similar. Ethereum is a bit clearer on the structure, more clearer than Bitcoin, because it could come around this level, around 4,000 again, drops and make a move to the upside. But again, it will just be making this either a running flat or a regular flat. So let's say the running flat or an expanding flat. So let's see how that plays out. Okay. Either way, we are bullish or long term on the cryptocurrencies. Litecoin. Oh. Hello. Right, that is Litecoin. Let's have a look at Litecoin. Litecoin could also be giving us this corrective structure. Could this be the end of the move to the downside on Litecoin and we start seeing upside? Remember, Litecoin has got this structure here, which may be incomplete. So this is wave 1, 2, 3 here, and we could start seeing a move to the upside. Either we can get this one to start slowing down as follows before we get a move to the upside on Litecoin, giving us this as an ABC corrective structures. So it's all around these levels here now with critical levels on the cryptocurrencies. Are we ready for a move to the upside? Or we're still going to get one more down before we push to the upside? We're monitoring that in the next coming sessions. Right, Ripple as well. Let's have a look here at XRP. We've got this one looking like a 1, 2, 3. This is the start of a move to the upside. Again, we are at critical levels here because you could have this one starting to make a move to the upside here on Ripple. Okay, but if Ripple continues to push up here, that means that this would have been all the correction on Ripple, and we're starting with this leg to the upside in 5 waves. This does not touch this level, so that means this is the low here, and you could even be having 1, 2, and then you start seeing 5 waves to the upside. Looks like the bullish moves are starting to show or emerge here on the cryptocurrencies. Let's see how this is going to play out. So we're going to be monitoring these levels here. Number of possibilities, but we'll be watching this one for a move to the upside. But first, we need to see if this is not going to be a move, one more move to the downside before we push to the upside. If it breaks this low, that means that's not longer your orthodox low, but then your low is going to start here. If your low is starting there, it means you've got these 3 waves and then we start there. That's all we just need to watch there on Ripple. Dogecoin. Right, Dogecoin is also making 3 waves similar to Litecoin. You've got simple 3 waves here on Litecoin. Right, simple 3 waves on Litecoin as follows. One, not Litecoin, Dogecoin rather. This one here. Is Dogecoin ready for a reversal here? It is slowing down. There is divergence on the RSI. So very likely we can start seeing Dogecoin push to the upside from here. Okay, so let's watch this. Looks like the bullish divergence is starting to show here. And the cycle is also showing upside here on Dogecoin. And that looks pretty much promising for more upside on the cryptocurrencies. Looking at ADA, that's the last one we're going to look at. Similar, showing us divergence around these levels as well. So this has been looking like an impulsive move to the downside. Could this be the start of a move to the upside, or at least a 3-wave corrective structure back to this level, back to $2 here? Let's have a look and see how that plays out. Right, so that's all I have for you for this week, guys. Trade responsibly, subscribe to our channel if you've not already done so, and give us a thumbs up if you like our content. Drop your comments in the comment section. We value your input, and hit that bell notification button so that you get a notification the next time we upload a video. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers. Bye-bye.